In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play Monopoly Go. Blocks Boutique, the new minigame. To get started, open Monopoly Go and look for the Blocks Boutique event when it appears on your screen. Once the event is live, tap into it to enter the minigame. This is where all of your progress will happen, so if you do not see it right away, just keep an eye on the event area in the game. The main thing you need for this event is blocks. You can collect blocks by taking part in regular in-game activities like events, tournaments, milestone rewards, and other gameplay opportunities. So before you expect to make a lot of progress in Blocks Boutique, make sure you are actively participating across the game to build up your supply. Once you have some blocks, begin dragging and placing each one onto the puzzle board. Placement matters here, so do not rush. The goal is to use your pieces in a way that helps you fill the board efficiently and create more completed lines. As you place blocks, focus on completing full rows and columns. Every time you complete them, you will collect the required ingredients or items tied to the event. These materials are what drive your progress forward, so clearing lines is not just satisfying, it is essential. After collecting enough ingredients, use them to craft a featured boutique item. Depending on the event theme, this could be something like a drink or another themed item. Crafting is a key part of the minigame because it turns your collected materials into visible event progress. Each time you complete a level, the crafted item is added to your boutique display, and you will also earn rewards. That means your progress is building in two ways at once. You are filling out the display and collecting prizes along the way. Keep going by placing blocks strategically so you can complete even more rows and columns. The better you plan your placements, the easier it will be to keep the board moving and unlock bigger rewards as you advance. On the main reward board, make sure you complete at least one full row and one full column if you want to unlock the grand prize whenever that reward is available. This is an important objective, so it is worth keeping in mind while you decide where each block should go. From there, simply repeat the process.